Harissa chicken sandwich. It's a 9 out of 10. So it's probably hard to see me now because of the sun is blocking my way, but this is the last of the Gales. Gales review. You can hear the bag chatter in the wind. But I got the Harissa chicken earlier on. Beautiful sandwich. It's tiny bit spice, smoky, succulent. Had tomatoes in there, and I think like a better cheese. And now this is a barley and chocolate cookie. The outside is crunchy. The inside is gooey. Not gooey, just like a tiny bit after gooey. And there's a pinch of sea salt somewhere, or a salt. And there appears to be like a weird white bits inside of the cookie, which I presume it could either be like a white chocolate. Can't think of what else it would be. But my review for Gail's. Gail's, you do like pay a little bit more for like the sandwiches and all of this stuff, but I hope that increases the quality, so no seed oils and less ingredients that are going to be a negative effect for health. On the last few bites, you do like taste the barley. That is grainy taste. I think it